Tornado devastation house with a crummy driveway. Just took forever to get up it. Now we gotta go back down it. We're just gonna take our time. Hopefully we won't run over anything. And it's time. This is what the tornado did over here. Brainerd, East Brainerd, Ooltewah, back in the spring of last year. Don't look that bad, but it's a pretty steep little drive. We got the M-Dog, which does not like going up hills at all. They don't like hills. I don't know about all that. Hope that concrete holds up. Right over something. We just got here in low gear. Oh, it's the concrete. That's the concrete moving up and down. Wow. Sure enough. I still had the power takeoff on. Sometimes we get into little tight driveways like this. Look at all these trees that knocked over. And this, I'll show you when we get to the bottom. This is rough. Got it in super low gear coming down the hill. We go around the little trailer and we out. They had to fix that. They wanted us to drive across it and it was washed up. A little creek running across it. Truck ain't that heavy. The truck only weighs about 30,000 empty. It's about the same weight as an empty tractor trailer. I have had almost as much weight as a tractor trailer can carry on one of these. We're not going to talk about that weightage, because it was heavy. But yeah, this is what happened to some of these people's homes back last spring. They're just now getting to where they can fix them and clean them. Show you. There's the house I was just at. And there's all the trees now. Roll off hoist. Yep. Little doggy took me up the hill. Alright, y'all. Just wanted to show you a little bit about it. I know a lot of people's been over here and looked at it, but it was a disaster. feel bad for these folks. Y'all have a good day. Bye now.